Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Chaos Craft. So, good news is that I have fixed a ton of bugs by writing an insane amount of tests, actually. Several hundred tests. This is actually a loop, but it'll test it several hundred times. And, yeah, problem is we maxed out our database capacity here and we get throttled and it doesn't tell us that we've errored, so I upped it, but as you can see, it's pretty easy to max it out faster than I'd like. So I was looking at an alternative solution that's a little more scalable, it seems, which is AWS's DocumentDB instead of their DynamoDB, which mimics MongoDB. I know I'm just talking about a bunch of DB stuff, but the problem is that one's going to cost $245 a month. So my fear is that Dynamo is going to reach that limit pretty quickly, so we might have to switch over, which just takes a lot of time for me to switch databases. Very disappointed in DynamoDB right now. Thought it would be a much better solution for this. But, yeah, it's now becoming more scalable. We don't have these weird iteration jumps that you see over, you can't point to the side, but in the gen progress spawn so far. Those are lockstep, which is exactly what I wanted. So yeah, we've got some good news and some bad news. And the bad news is that we're running into scaling issues already because I tried to save some money. Good news is that we're now on track. It's just costing me money. So if anybody would like to donate to the Patreon, now's a great time. And soon we should see some behavioral stuff, some actual real conditioned behaviors in here, so that's good to know. Yeah, other than that, they're just tearing up the world, but we're getting closer. So you guys will be able to set up your own training room soon and condition your own AIs using this algorithm. So sorry I don't have anything exciting like, hey, they're placing crafting tables or whatever, but it's still a step in the right direction. So thanks for the support, and check it out on Patreon, follow us on all that stuff, and yeah, let the chaos resume. Okay, we've come close enough to see if the generation will iterate, so let's find out what happens here. I'm waiting for just a little counter in the corner to tell me that it's iterated back to the beginning. Perfect. Seamless generation iteration. It's wonderful. We're on track. I'm just going to spend all my money doing this. All right. Thanks, everyone.